You won't believe the clever idea this young man came up with. Using a few plastic pipes, bottles, and simple materials that can be found almost anywhere, he managed to create a practical device that helps cool metal sheet roofs in a smart way by recycling water. Watch the steps carefully to discover how these simple tools were turned into a useful invention that anyone can build at home. It is said that all you need to do is insert a straight three-way pipe, connector into a wooden board frame that has already been assembled so that everything connects as one unit. At the same time, with the help of hot melt glue, it is firmly attached to the metal roofing sheet. After that, cement mortar is slowly poured in until the mold is completely filled. During the process of solidifying and hardening, a plastic bottle with drilled holes is prepared and then fitted into the three-way connector after heating and softening it. A long pipe is also filled with dry sand in advance so that it can be carefully heated with a heat gun and bent in a rolling motion into a large, spring-like shape. After that, the sand is emptied from the pipe to make full use of it again, and then a row of small holes is drilled as required. Pay close attention to the details of each step until everything is finally connected to the clean plastic bottles prepared earlier. Then 3 rectangular plastic pieces are assembled to form fan blades, and hot melt glue is applied to strengthen the joints. They are then inserted into a split plastic pipe and wrapped around it. At this point, some viewers might start wondering what exactly the young man is trying to build. Next, holes are drilled in the 4 corners, and pipes of suitable length are installed so they stand vertically. The middle part is used to connect the rotating mechanism and the curved pipe attached to the plastic bottle. Now everything is ready, and the only thing left is to firmly secure the surrounding support frame. The fan blades are installed at the top, and the surface of the drainage channel should be covered with a wire mesh to prevent leaves from falling inside. In this way, a simple and clever device is created to recycle cold water and cool metal. Sheet roofs, a practical system that can be easily built by hand.